Today we're working on a small house. We're going to put the roof on, hopefully order the metal now, sheet metal. Bo's making the doors, building a steel frame around the door. Then we're going to pour concrete, make the lintel and the door frame all concrete, so make it solid. Then at the side we're making a footpath and a storeroom and a utility room. So here's going to be a carport. So our budget at the moment is about 135,000. Just ordered more concrete chips. So we add that on, but the steel was tuned back. Bo brought it to work this morning. So he's make a frame, weld the frame in, and then after that we can pour the concrete. Then we'll go to the shop and buy the steel for the roof. But a good size house so far, for that, really, really good value. So what we're thinking now is renting them out. Just one ray of land and building a wee house on it and renting it for maybe a 5-year or 10-year. So I'll show you the finish. This is what day is it? Today's Wednesday, so we've still got another good few days to work. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But I think by the weekend it'll be looking nice. Then we start the inside and do the electrical work and put in a shower suite and build a kitchen. So we'll get it all done. Okay doke. I put other videos up, they're short so, just to show you more about the property. Okay doke, let's go and do more work.